Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is I really enjoyed today. I really enjoyed today. आज मैंने बहुत लुत्फ़ उठाया. Second, today I met a new friend. Today I met a new friend. आज मैं एक न्यू दोस्त से मिला. 3. Really it was a boring day today. Really it was a boring day today. आज का दिन बहुत बोरिंग था. 4. I waited for my friends for 2 hours. I waited for my friend for 2 hours. आज मैंने अपने दोस्त का 2 घंटे इंतज़ार किया. 5. But that's okay. Sometime it happens. But that's okay. Sometime it happens. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, कभी कभार ऐसा होता है. 6. But I know the moment of that patience. But I know the moment of that patience. लेकिन मैं उस सब्र के पल को जानता हूँ. 7. Do you know what was going through me at that time? Do you know what was going through me at that time? आपको क्या पता कि उस वक्त मुझ पर क्या गुजर रही थी. 8. Why are you telling me all this? Why are you telling me all this? तुम मुझे ये सब क्यों बता रहे हो. 9. Don't rub salt on the wounds. Don't rub salt on the wounds. जख्मों पर नमक मत छिड़को. The last one is 10. You are utter mad. You are utter mad. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.